Welcome back to Rituals. So today we're going to get Black Eagle, that's right, my BMW M2, some new brake pads and rotors. And today I'll be telling you guys how much that costs and the process from getting it done from the dealership. So you guys go grab your favorite beverage, your favorite snack, and tune in, because I can tell you, man, I ain't looking forward to this bill, but it is what it is. And if you're here for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, so let's get a full understanding. They taxed the hell out of your boy. Damn! Woo-wee. Any one of y'all thinking about getting these M cars, we ain't gonna talk about supercars right now, but just high performance vehicles. Man, not only are these cars expensive, but the maintenance on these cars is super expensive too. But I guess you have to pay the cost to be the boss, so they say. But damn! What? I'm gonna show you guys this bill. Just so y'all can know, brake pads, rotors, oil change. Oil change is not that bad, you know. It's the other little things that you may need to get done, like filters and things like that. But what I will say, all that stuff really ain't that bad either. Tires, though, woo! I gotta get another tire. Y'all already know about that story. I just did 3 not too long ago, so I gotta get another one. Thankfully, it's only 1 this time, which is cool. But man, spark plugs. What? Wait till y'all see how much spark plugs cost for labor and parts and all that other But yeah, but today's episode is about the brake pads and rotors, because I know you guys wanted to know. In short, the brake pads and rotors is basically like $1,700. Woo! That's just for the front, left, and right. Man, you gotta get all 4 of them done. Woo! Would have been $3,400, but my back, left and right, brake pads and rotors are perfectly fine, so there's no issue there. Everything's all good there. So I had to replace the front, left and right, brake pads and rotors. Once again, that was basically a little under $1,700. They gave me a homie hookup, homie discount, a little bit there. We helped out a lot, so shouts out to BMW North Scottsdale. Greatly appreciate that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I'm on my way to go pick up another tire because BMW didn't have any in stock, and they said I would have to wait. So I'm gonna go check out this other tire place, see if they got any available, and we'll see what it is there. If you guys watch the other videos about me buying tires, y'all pretty much know tires on this thing run about anywhere from $380 to $500, depending on what you try to get. We ride Michelin Pilot Super Sports over here, so anywhere from $400 to $450 is what I'm guessing. That's tire, labor, everything like that. So we'll see what it is. We'll see if we got one around town. Anyway, thank you guys for watching another episode of Rituals. This right here has been a Beamer Bandit session, so greatly appreciate you guys. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button for me before you head out. And also, if you want to see more content, like some reels, go check me out on Instagram at M2_Black Eagle, as well as Facebook, which is Rituals MGMT. That's right, IG M2_Black Eagle, Facebook Rituals MGMT. Let's go. Thank y'all for watching. Peace and love and many blessings. And your boys out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.